Okay, I hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, after so long, we are creating videos like this that I'm sitting over here and I'm speaking in front of you. But yeah, good response on my previous series on traveling. So thank you very much for that particular thing. But yeah, this video is all about update on my channel that YouTube is now giving me. So yeah, I created a 3 level of membership that you can sponsor me if you think that I did something which help you in your visa process, in your admission process, or anywhere. So if you think that I help you, then you can join me. You can just sponsor me using any level of membership. There are 3 level of membership that I will tell you right now. So the first is ballet walking. Like the name is ballet walking, so it is the cheapest one available right now, and you will get 3 benefit with that particular thing. One is you can suggest me your own video, like what you want to know, and I will dedicate that particular video to you. And it will be completely depend on you whether if you want to see that particular video on my channel, then you are the only person who will able to see that particular video, or else yeah, other people will see that particular thing, but your name will be taken in that particular video, so you will get more attention over there. Second is that members only live stream. So from now onwards, I will do members only live stream for personal support, for more in-depth discussion on this Ireland study or any other things. So yeah, that will also you will get as a benefit if you are a member of this particular level. Third is that members only live chat. So if I'm doing general live stream, that you don't need to sit on that particular live stream for entire period. You can just come over there. You can just write your message, and if you're a member, then your name will be highlighted. I will stop all the answers and I will follow your question and I will answer that particular thing. And yeah, you are good to go. So you don't need to sit for entire live stream. You can just come to live stream, ask your question. You will get answered at that moment only, and you can leave the stream. So you will not waste your time. So yeah, that is the benefit that you will get with this particular level of membership. Now the second level is just walking. So the name is just walking, but the price is just little bit increased. And yeah, for this you will get all the benefit that you are getting in the first level, but in second level, on top of that particular thing, you will get more 3 benefits. So one is the behind the scene videos, like if we are shooting something, if we are following something, or if you are going somewhere, then you will get all the unedited footage and all in this particular membership. Even you will get one more benefit, that is early access to new videos. So if any videos is going live, or like let's consider tomorrow, then you will get access at least 8 hours or sometimes 6 hours before that particular video. So you can just watch that particular video before it published. Also, if I'm doing live stream, then after live stream I will put that particular live stream for members only. So if you are a member, then you will only have access to that particular live stream. Other than that, you can't access that particular live stream and you will not be able to see that particular thing. So yeah, that are the 3 benefits that you will get on top of the first level membership. Talking about the third level of membership, so for third level membership, you will get the benefit of first level and second level, and on top of that, you will get 4 more benefits. Now, first thing is that you will get a rough cuts and bloopers with this particular thing. So whatever we are shooting, we missed some part, or we are doing rehearsal or anything, you will get that particular videos in this particular membership. Second thing is that you will get the personal photos and status update on me, like what I am doing, where I am going, or anything, the personal documents, private photographs, or anything, you will get access over here. You can just ask me for anything and I will provide you that particular thing also. Now, third benefit, that if you want to learn from me, if you want to learn anything from me, if you want to know about me, if you want to learn about the editing part or anything, you can just ask me, and if I'm good at that particular thing, then I will provide you that particular thing also, and you will get the chance to learn with me. You will get a chance to join my channel, and yeah, that is the benefit with this particular level of membership. And the fourth and last one is that we will create a separate WhatsApp group with this particular membership. So you will get a weekly discussion on this particular thing. We will do a Zoom call for this only, and you will have a private discussion with me. Whatever you want to discuss, whatever you want to learn, or whatever you want to ask me, you can ask anything on that separate WhatsApp group. But even we will do a weekly discussion, and I will announce the time and date on that particular WhatsApp group only. And yeah, even you can suggest your time, and we will discuss on that particular time also. So yeah, that are the level of membership. I will create more membership if I will get a good response on this particular thing. But the last point I want to tell you that it will help me financially. If you think that I help something that help you for your admission purpose or for your visa purpose, then yeah, do join this particular membership, and yeah, you will also get benefit, and I will also get the benefit with this particular thing. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. I wanted to just create an update on this membership, and yeah, I hope you like this particular video. Comment down anything you want to ask me, or yeah, we are good to go. So see you guys in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.